The AI economy is a machine that never sleeps, but it has one massive problem. It's still trying to pay its bills using a financial system built for humans. In a world where AI agents perform millions of tasks per second, waiting days for a bank transfer is a death sentence for innovation. Welcome to SN58 Handshake. This is the financial backbone of Bittensor. We are building the high-speed, decentralized rails that allow AI to trade value as fast as it thinks. This isn't just a payment processor. It is the global settlement layer for the age of intelligence. Welcome to the future of the handshake. Current financial systems are too slow, too expensive, and too centralized for the AI era. When a model on Subnet 1 needs to buy compute from Subnet 27, traditional payment gateways choke on the frequency and the cost of fees. This friction gap prevents the Bittensor ecosystem from becoming a truly unified economy. Without a specialized settlement layer, AI remains a collection of isolated tools rather than a global workforce. The bottleneck is clear. We have the intelligence, but we lack the decentralized currency flow to power it at scale. Efficiency is currently bleeding out in transaction delays. SN58 Handshake provides the solution by creating a frictionless marketplace for AI to AI transactions. It utilizes a specialized verification protocol that ensures every task is paid for instantly and accurately. By removing the middlemen and the waiting times, Handshake allows for micropayments that were previously impossible. It turns the Bittensor network into a liquid, high-velocity economy where value moves at the speed of light. Handshake isn't just a subnet. It is the decentralized clearinghouse that makes the entire AI market viable. The solution is instant, trustless settlement for everyone. What is SN58? Handshake is Bittensor's dedicated subnet for the AI payment economy. Identified as Subnet 58, it is the fundamental utility layer for settling debts between miners and validators. The metrics reflect an incredible ground floor opportunity. Tao is at $187, while the Handshake Alpha is priced at just $1.15. With a modest $5 million market cap and a staggering 50% staking APY, Handshake is the most undervalued financial infrastructure play on the chain. It is the bank for the machines, and the doors are wide open. Real-world problem. In the real world, the agentic economy is coming. Soon, your personal AI will need to hire other AIs to complete complex tasks like booking travel or researching molecules. But how does an AI pay another AI without a human in the loop to sign a check? Current credit cards aren't designed for machines. This lack of a machine-to-machine payment standard is the single biggest barrier to the $10 trillion AI service economy. The problem is simple. If the machines can't pay each other, the revolution stalls. We need a digital handshake that works 24/7 without permission. How SN58 Handshake addresses it? Handshake addresses this by providing a protocol-native billing and settlement system. It creates a trustless environment where AI agents can trade services using Tao as the universal unit of value. By standardizing how subnets bill for their work, Handshake removes the administrative nightmare of decentralized collaboration. It handles the verification of work and the payment of work in a single atomic transaction. This turns the Bittensor network into a self-sustaining economic engine where every contribution is rewarded instantly. How it works. The process is designed for high concurrency and security. When an AI service is requested, a smart handshake is created between the requester and the provider. Validators monitor the transaction, ensuring the work is completed to spec before releasing the payment from a secure escrow. Miners compete to provide the most efficient routing and verification for these payments. This constant competition keeps fees near zero and speed near instant. It is a meritocracy of finance, where the best settlement algorithms earn the highest Tau emissions. Value flows, work gets done, and the network grows. Imagine if every time you used an app, you had to wait 3 days for your bank to approve the 5-cent fee. You'd never use the app again. That is how the AI world feels right now. Handshake is like the Visa or Apple Pay for AI. It allows machines to pay each other tiny fractions of a cent instantly, so they can keep working together without stopping. It's a 24/7 digital cashier that never makes a mistake and never takes a break. It makes it possible for thousands of AI workers to collaborate on one project and get paid their fair share in seconds. Uniqueness and specialty. Handshake's specialty is its proof of settlement architecture. Unlike general payment coins, Handshake is deeply integrated into the Bittensor incentive layer. It doesn't just move money. It validates that the money was earned through verified machine intelligence. It features unique microchannel technology that allows for millions of transactions per day with zero network congestion. It is the only subnet dedicated to the velocity of intelligence, ensuring that value doesn't just sit in wallets, but actively moves to fund the next breakthrough. It is the fastest wallet in the decentralized world. Who needs this? Consumers. The consumers are the titans of the upcoming agentic world. Developers building AI autonomous agents need Handshake to give their creations financial agency. Subnet owners need it to monetize their intelligence, and enterprise clients need it to pay for Bittensor's services without managing complex crypto wallets. From autonomous drone fleets to AI research labs, anyone who needs to buy or sell intelligence at scale is a client. Handshake is the mandatory gateway for the trillions of dollars about to enter the decentralized AI economy. The competitive edge. Handshake's edge is its protocol integration. While centralized payment giants are trying to add AI, Handshake was built from AI. It is faster because it removes human bottlenecks, and cheaper because it bypasses legacy banking fees. Furthermore, the 50% staking yield provides a massive incentive for the most talented financial developers to build on SN58. It is a self-strengthening network. The more subnets use it, the more valuable the Handshake Alpha becomes. It is the first mover in the most important niche on the chain. Competitive landscape. Within the Tao ecosystem, SN58 is the financial unifier. While SN1 provides text and SN120 provides coordination, Handshake provides the currency velocity that makes them profitable. It doesn't compete for the smartest model. It ensures that the smartest models get paid. This positions Handshake as the essential partner to every other subnet. It is the neutral ground where all AI work is valued and cleared. Without Handshake, the Bittensor economy is a bartering system. With it, it is a global financial powerhouse. Architecture and performance. The architecture is built for extreme throughput and low latency settlement. It utilizes a high-performance validation stack that handles thousands of payment requests per second without breaking a sweat. Performance is measured by settlement finality, which Handshake achieves in sub-second timeframes. It is a modular system that can be integrated into any external dApp or enterprise software via a simple API. This is industrial-grade financial plumbing designed to handle the massive transaction volume of a $1 trillion AI market. Is SN58 Handshake production ready? Handshake is production ready and currently active on the mainnet. It is already facilitating the settlement of AI tasks and distributing high-yield rewards to stakers. The roadmap includes the launch of the Handshake Enterprise Portal, allowing companies to buy Tao services using standard credit cards, driving massive revenue into the subnet. With a $5 million market cap, the project is just beginning its growth phase. As more subnets integrate Handshake for their billing, the utility and value of the alpha are set to explode. The bank of the future is now open for business. Partnerships and backing. Developed by a technical team with deep roots in fintech and decentralized systems, Handshake has the pedigree to win. It is supported by top-tier Bittensor validators who recognize that payments are the blood of the network. By partnering with external bridge providers and fiat on-ramps, Handshake is building the bridge between the old world of finance and the new world of AI. This is a technical-first project focused on utility, ensuring that the network remains robust, liquid, and ready for institutional adoption. Roadmap and updates. The roadmap is focused on total financial integration. Q1 brings the Subnet billing SDK, allowing any subnet to integrate Handshake in minutes. Q2 will launch the Agentic wallet, giving AI agents their own autonomous bank accounts. Q3 targets enterprise fiat integration, bringing traditional capital into the Bittensor ecosystem. Handshake is evolving from a subnet into a full-scale financial network. We are building the rails today for the global AI trade of tomorrow. The roadmap to 10 trillion starts with a handshake. The bull case. The bull case is that Handshake becomes the global clearinghouse for AI. As the world moves toward millions of autonomous agents, the need for a specialized, decentralized payment rail will become a multi-billion-dollar necessity. If Handshake captures just 5% of the AI transaction market, it becomes a billion-dollar asset. From a $5 million market cap, that is a 200x move. You aren't just buying a subnet. You are buying the Visa of the AI revolution. The math of a $1 trillion economy starts here. The bear case is the stablecoin monopoly. If centralized stablecoins like USDC develop near-instant AI-native rails that bypass the need for decentralized subnets, Handshake's utility could be challenged. Additionally, if the transition to an agentic economy takes longer than expected, the transaction volume might grow slowly. Like any financial system, Handshake must win the trust of the developers to become the standard. It is a race between the agility of decentralized rails and the massive liquidity of legacy stablecoins. Staking math. Let's do the math. Tau is at $187, and staking 5 Tau, roughly $940 at a 50% APY, earns you about 0.21 Tau per month. That's nearly $40 in passive income today. But consider the 200x bull case. If Handshake reaches a $1 billion market cap, your monthly rewards could be worth over $8,000. You are being paid to build the very rails that will carry the wealth of the future. Subnet 58 Handshake is the financial unifier of the machine age. It is the only subnet dedicated to making sure the AI revolution stays liquid, efficient, and profitable. With a production-ready engine, a 50% yield, and a mission-critical role in the $1 trillion Tau bull run, it is the fundamental infrastructure play for 2026. Don't let the revolution stall because of a slow payment. Own the rails. Buy. Stake. Chill. Welcome to the Handshake economy. The future of trade is now decentralized. Hope you learned something new today. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Invest only what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Bittensor Tao, directly to your screen. The new age slogan will be, don't wait to buy Tao and wait. Join us at Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha from the front lines of the AI revolution.